Hello friends, today we are going to learn one problem for RL series circuit. A resistor of 10 ohm and an inductance of 0.1 Henry are connected in series across 230 volt 50 hertz supply. From this problem we have to draw we have to learn how to draw series circuit showing 10 ohm resistance and 0.1 Henry inductance. We must draw series connection. We have learned in PPT how to draw series connection. Then we have make practice for that. Connect the series circuit to 230 volt 50 hertz supply. Now what you have to find? Impedance means Z, current flowing in the circuit, phase angle and power factor. Here resistance of 10 ohm is connected in series with the inductance of 0.1 Henry. Unit of inductance is Henry and unit of resistance is ohm. It is connected to AC supply 230 volt 50 hertz and the current I is flowing inside the circuit. So given information is R 10 ohm resistance, inductance 0.1 Henry, voltage is 230 volts, AC and frequency is 50 hertz. Obtain impedance. So we know formula Z is equal to under root R square plus XL square from the right angle triangle, and XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So 2 pi, frequency is 50, L is 0.1 Henry. We are getting XL. What is XL? This is the inductive reactance of inductance L. So this is inductive reactance and L is inductance. Both are different. Their units are also different. XL is calculated in ohm and L is in Henry. So here the value of XL when you calculate, this is the demonstration. You must solve on your own. 31.42 ohm. Now Z is calculated here by using this formula under root R square plus XL square, putting the value of R and XL, square it, addition of that, then make square root of that, you will get its angle and its value. Now due to Ohm law, we can apply Ohm's law for finding out the current. V upon Z, that is 6.98 ampere. Voltage upon impedance. Impedance now opposition to flow of electrons. Therefore according to Ohm's law, V upon Z, this is RL series circuit. Therefore it is not only R, we have to consider R and XL also. Therefore Z is coming here. So this formula is very important. V upon Z. Mind it well. Then phase angle. Phase angle we can obtain from this particular 72.34. Use your engineering calculator. Formula is given. Then angle 72.34, we can calculate power factor by this formula R upon Z. R upon Z is equal to 0.303 lagging. So if you have interest, you can draw the waveform it also, and you can draw voltage waveform. After that, after taking angle 72.34, you can get current waveform. So this is lagging power factor.